Yep, that's me.
Welcome to Invictus Porsche. Porsches are our everyday bread and butter. This is what we specialize in. But today we have something a bit different and eye-catching. It is a Kawasaki ZX-6R 636 Ninja. The Ninja ZX-6R motorcycle boasts a potent 636cc engine, advanced electronics and a lightweight chassis. The 636 has been optimized for both street and the track, offering an exhilarating experience in a wide range of riding situations. The Kawasaki has a custom exhaust. Apart from that, it is completely standard. It is HPR clear and comes with 2 original keys. As you can see from the pictures, it is in immaculate condition. The previous owner was a true enthusiast, kept the bike garaged and only ever took it out in dry conditions. It comes with all the original paperwork and handbooks. This truly is a phenomenal bike, so do not miss your chance to buy it. This really is one of a lifetime of an experience riding this 636. It's just not nice being stuck behind a DHL van. Well, what a bike this is. The gear changes are extremely precise. The bike does exactly what you want it to do. It corners amazingly well. This is just performance on another level. And I'm quite pleased to experience performance like this. One thing that is absolutely amazing about this bike is the fact it is a one owner since new, purchased from Kawasaki Colchester, serviced up until 2017 at Kawasaki Colchester, and from there on it's been serviced and maintained as it should. The engine management lies there purely down to the fact that the bike's not actually been driven and the battery died whilst it was just in storage with our previous customer who purchased a Porsche 911. I think he was getting a bit too old for something like this, and it wasn't an easy decision for him to let go and get into a four-wheeler. But it needs a new home. Someone that's going to cherish it like Carl did.
and hopefully put more miles than what it's had since 2015. I mean, it's done 7,763 miles as it stands, and you know, it's not doing justice to the bike really. It's amazing how quickly it gets up to speed. Absolutely phenomenal. Nothing quite like it. I have never experienced anything like this. The gear changes are so precise. The throttle response is unbelievable. I mean, compared to the Ducati Diavolo, this is just on another level. I mean, I had a Honda CBR about 10 years ago, so that's my bike experience there. Honda CBR, that Ducati Diavolo, and a Kawasaki Ninja. I do quite enjoy riding a bike. You know, it sort of clears the head, you know, gives you a much fresher outlook on life once you get off this bike, because it really makes you appreciate certain things. When it comes to motorbikes, for me, it's this exhilarating feeling that I get where I feel like I'm getting younger. You know, it's a thrill. Unbelievably quick bike, 130 brake horsepower, 71 Newton meters of torque. You know, it's a proper sports bike, and they're just designed to handle, especially corner, unbelievably well. I don't want this review to end anytime soon. I'm having so much fun riding the bike. And you know, the more miles I put on it, the more I'm enjoying the bike.
In terms of exhaust info, the GP M2 muffler is the forefather of the range of mufflers designed for the racing world, created to make the difference in the most competitive category of the MotoGP, the Moto2, where engine is the same, and it is the performance of the exhaust system that can give that extra push to victory. It is extremely aggressive. The line is characterized by its low weight, compact size, exposed TRG weldings on the 60mm output and racing look. In terms of performance, it is able to produce 131 brake horsepower, 71 Newton meters of torque. It is a 6-speed manual and chain driven. It does not get better in the streamlined performance that one is able to get on a Kawasaki Ninja 636 than any other bike. Currently, having ridden a Ducati Diavolo as a daily, the Kawasaki by far is the better overall bike, although in a different category.
I wouldn't recommend anybody to ride their bikes with what I'm wearing. Go out to a shop, buy some proper bike stuff, gear, and you know, look after your health, look after your life. You know, you only get one crack at it, and if you've lost it, you've lost it.
Kawasaki Ninja